In the next few minutes, we'll explore the concept of workspaces within Adobe Audition and learn how we can use workspaces to rearrange the different tools within Audition to suit our preferences. To get started, we'll open Adobe Audition, although we don't need to actually start a new project to explore workspaces. Next, make sure that Audition CC is visible near the top left of the screen in the menu bar. That means the Audition app itself is selected. If this isn't the case, try selecting the Audition icon in the dock of your Mac, or relaunching the app altogether. With Audition now selected, navigate to Window and Workspace. In the Workspace menu, we can see the names of different workspaces that we can click on. Each one consists of different tool panels. The way to think of these workspaces is that they're preset selections of panels that are most likely to be used for each task. For example, radio production or essential video mixing. Once I select a workspace, Audition will load a selection of tool panels that I'm most likely to use for this task. We'll explore some of these windows as we proceed through this series of videos, so don't worry about not fully understanding them just yet. Once we've selected a workspace, we can easily make changes to suit our needs. Here I'm going to bring the Zoom panel, which houses some navigation controls, into the Transport panel. As you can see, within the same panel, I can now click between the Zoom and Transport panels, leaving this area over here free for me to add a different panel to. If we want to add a new panel that currently we can't see, we can navigate back to the Window menu in the menu bar. All of the options with ticks next to them are currently on the screen. So I'm going to select Properties to bring up the Properties panel, which would usually hold information about files once I've started a project. Audition has placed the Properties panel here, and I'm happy with that for now. If we'd like, we can now save our own workspace for ease of use later. If we go to Window, Workspace, and Save as New Workspace, I can give my workspace a name and save it. Going back to Window and Workspace again, I can now see my custom workspace, as well as the presets, and I can freely switch between them like so. I can delete a workspace by navigating to Window, Edit Workspaces, and selecting the workspace to delete, and then pressing delete. If I make quite a few changes to a workspace and it starts to get a bit messy, I can reset the workspace altogether by going to Window, Workspace, Reset to Saved Layout. Then Audition cleans up my workspace for me. Workspaces can take a bit of time to get accustomed to, but once you're used to them, they can make using Adobe Audition a much smoother process.